Okay dear students, today in this class we will discuss about exercise 3.2 on linear equations in one variable. This is of class 8th standard. Okay, seventh question we have. In earlier class already we have discussed about 1 to 6 problems. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. First we should know about 3 consecutive multiples of 8. What are those? Okay, first let the consecutive multiple be x. After x plus 8. Next third x plus 8 plus 8 is nothing but x plus 16. Is it right? Okay, let us see. Let the 3 consecutive multiples, solution we have. Let the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 be, first one is x plus 8 and x plus 8 means x plus 16, right? Okay, see, according to this question, what is there? The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Sum means what? We should add these 3, correct? These 3 consecutive multiples. Okay, sum, that is x plus 8 plus x plus 16, which is equal to 888 according to this question. Okay, let us see how many x are there. 1 2 3. 3x plus 16 plus 8, 24. Okay, which is equal to 888. Okay, this 24 transport to RHS, it will become minus 24. Okay, 3x, or you can subtract minus 24 on both sides. Okay, 3x is equal to 888 minus 24. 3x is equal to, see here, 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 as it is, 864. Okay, these 3 write in denominator place. X is equal to 864 divided by 3. Okay, cancel. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24, 3 8 ja 24. So x is equal to 288. This is first number. Is it right? 3 consecutive multiples of 8. First we got x is equal to, first number is 208. This is first multiple of 8. Okay, hence first multiple of 8 is 288. Second multiple of of 8 is, what is the second multiple? X plus 8. X plus 8 is equal to, x value is 288, which is equal to, we should add for this. So if we add, we will get here 296. Okay, and third multiple of 8 is x plus 16. X plus 16 is equal to, x means 288 plus 16. We should add this one. Okay, after adding we will get here 304. So we got here, first multiple of 8 is 288, second multiple of 8 is 296. Okay, and third multiple of 8 is 304. This is the right answer. Okay dear students, now let us discuss about 8th question. Three consecutive integers are such that they are taken in increasing order. Okay, they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. They add up to 74. Find these numbers. Find these numbers. Okay, this is very easy. Solution. See, first we should know that three consecutive integers. What are those? X, x plus 1, x plus 1 plus 1 means x plus 2. Okay, let the solution, let the three consecutive integers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. This is x plus 1 plus 1 means x plus 2. Okay, increasing order. Three consecutive are such that they are taken in increasing order, right? Increasing order. According to this question, see, according to question and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively. See, according to question, 2x, next 3 into x plus 1 and 4 respectively, 4 into x plus 2 according to question multiplied. Is it right? According to question multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. This is very important. Okay, now let us see. Now what we have to do? They add up to 74. We should add these three. Okay, they add up to how much? 74. 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 2, which is equal to 74. Add up to 74, right? 2x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 4 into x, 4x plus 4 2 ja 8 is equal to 74. Now how many x are there? Count. 2x plus 3x, 5x, 5x plus 4x, 9x plus 3 plus 8, how much? 11. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is equal to 74. See, subtract minus 11 on both sides, or this 11 transport to RHS, it will become minus 11. Okay, 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. X is equal to 9x is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 1 is 6. X is equal to 63. This 9 take in the place of denominator. Okay, 9 1 ja 9, 9 7 ja 63. X is equal to 7. We got first integer, right? Hence first integer is 7. Okay, next second integer, right? Second integer is 3 into x plus 1, right? Sorry, don't take this one 3x plus 1. We have to take this one. Let the three consecutive integers be are there. This one we need to find. Okay, x is the first integer is 7 and the second integer is x plus 1. X plus 1 is equal to x value is 7. 7 plus 1 which is equal to 8. Okay, next third integer. Third integer, that is x plus 2. X plus 2. X value is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, this is the right answer. First integer is 7, second integer is 8 and third integer is 10. Sorry, x value is 7. Right here 7. X value is 7. 7 plus 2 which is equal to 9. This is the right answer. Okay dear students, now let us discuss about 9th question on this exercise. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Okay, which is nothing but Rahul be 5x years and Harun be 7x years. 4 years later, which is nothing but after 4 years, the sum of their wages will be 56 years. See, after 4 years, which is nothing but after 4 years, both ages will be increased, right? After that, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Very easy. Okay. Solution. Let the present ages of present ages of Rahul and Arun are in the ratio 5:7, right? That is, okay, see, Rahul and Arun are in the ratio 5:7. That is 5x and 7x. Okay, Arun be 5x and 7x, because they are given in the ratio, so we should write 5x and 7x. Okay, see here, next 4 years later. Okay, 4 years later means after 4 years. After 4 years, right? 4 years later, both ages will be increased. So, it can be right 5x plus 4. Okay, next, and 7x plus 4. Okay, see here, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Sum means what? We should add. Is it? According to quotient, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, which is equal to 56 years. We should add, okay, how many x are there? 5 plus 7, 12, 12x, right? 12x plus 4 plus 4, 8 is equal to 56. Okay, see, subtract 8 on both sides, or this 8 take in the place of RHS, it will become minus 8. Okay, 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. Okay, 12x is equal to 56 minus 8, which is equal to 48. Okay, x is equal to 48. This 12 will be there, taking the denominator place. 12 1 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4, right? Hence, present age of Rahul and Arun. Hence, present age of Rahul is equal to 5x, right? 5x, that is 5 into x value is 4. Put in this. 5 4 is how much? 20 years. Whose age it is? Rahul age, right? Now, present age of Harun. Present age of Arun is how much? Harun? 7x is equal to, put the value of x is equal to 4. 7 4 is 28. Okay, 28 years. Okay, see, if in examination they can ask whose age is more than more, is it? Therefore, you can tell here the age of Arun is more than age of Rahul. You can say like this because 28 years and Rahul age is 20 years. This is the right answer. Okay, dear students, now let us discuss about the 10th question on this exercise 3.2. Here we have question. The number of boys and girls in a class. Number of boys and girls are in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? We should find out total class strength. First we should need to find number of boys and number of girls. After we should add both, then only we will get the total strength in a class. Okay, let us see. Okay, number of girls we don't know. Let the number of girls be x, and also he has given the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. We don't know number of girls, so let the number of girls be x. Let the number of girls be x. Okay, then number of boys, the number of boys is x plus 8 because 8 the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls, so we should take x plus 8. Okay, now let us see. According to question, see here the number of boys and girls, is it right? Boys is to girls. Okay, so first number of boys x plus 8, write in ratio. Okay, and next number of girls is x, and also they have given in the ratio, that is 7/5. Okay, 7/5. Okay, x plus 8 by x, which is equal to 7/5 according to question, that is boys is to girls. We have to write in ratio, right? Do cross multiplication. 5 into x plus 8, which is equal to 7 into x, 7x, right? 5 into x, 5x, plus 5 8 of 40, we should multiply, is equal to 7x. Okay, I will change. Okay, 7x is equal to 5x plus 40. Okay, I written same, just I changed the places, that's all. Okay, 7x write as it is, 5x will be there, it is smaller than 7x, take at LHS, it will become minus 5x, which is equal to, write 40 as it is, 7x minus 5x, 2x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 divided by 2, taking the denominator place, 2 1 ja 2, 2 20 ja 40. Therefore, x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Whose it is x is equal to 20? This is the number of girls. Okay. Hence, number of girls is x, that is 8. Okay, number of girls. Now very easy to find number of girls is how much? Number of x, that is 20. How much that is? That is number of girls is equal to 20. Now we need to find number of boys, and number of boys is equal to x plus 8, that is x is equal to 20. Put this value, 20 plus 8, which is equal to 28. Still it is not completed, is it? Okay, what is the question? What is the total class strength? Therefore, the total class strength, therefore, the total class strength is boys plus girls, right? Boys is equal to 28 and girls is equal to 20, which is equal to 48. This is the right answer. Okay, dear students, now let us discuss about 11th question on exercise 3.2. Okay, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? This is very easy. See, Baichung's father is 26 years, right? Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Therefore, Baichung's grandfather is older. Grandfather is older than Baichung's father, right? Therefore, 29 years older than Baichung's. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Okay. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung's. But we don't know the age of Baichung's, right? Okay, the sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Solution. See, Baichung's age we don't know. Let Baichung's age be x years, right? Baichung's age be x years. Then Baichung's father age. Baichung's father age is how much? He is younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older. 29 years older than Baichung's is nothing but x plus 29 years, right? Then Baichung's father's age be x plus 29. X is Baichung's 29 years older than Baichung, right? But he is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. This is not necessary to write in this. Got it? Okay. Now, and Baichung's grandfather's age, see now. Baichung's grandfather's age. See here, grandfather's age, how should write? See, he is older than Baichung's father's and Baichung's, right? X plus 29. This is, only one time, right? X plus 29 plus and 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather is nothing but is older than Baichung's, right? So we should take this 26 years here. 26 years. X plus 29 plus 26. Okay. Baichung's grandfather's age is, okay, x plus 29 plus 26 years. Okay. According to question, see here, the ages of all the three is, the ages of all the 3 is, we should add all those, is it? x plus 29 plus x plus 29 plus 26 is equal to 135 years. 135 years. Okay, how many x are there should add? 1 2 3. 3x plus 29 plus 29. X plus 29 plus 29 2 times I have wrote, is it? X plus 29 plus 26 means this is which is equal to x plus 54 we will get, is it right? Okay, this is 54 plus 29, right? This is 54 plus 29. How much we will get? 3. This is 83 we will get. 9 plus 6 how much? 15. This is 55. So this is 84. Okay, let us see. This is 84. Okay, 3x plus 84 which is equal to 135. Subtract 84 on both sides, or 84 take into RHS, it will become minus 84. 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. Okay, 3x is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1, and 5 minus 4 is 1, and 13 minus 8 which is equal to 5. This is 51. X is equal to 51 divided by, take this 3 in denominator place. Okay, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. Therefore x is equal to 17 years. X is equal to 17 years, that is Baichung's age. Hence Baichung's age is 17 years. Next, Baichung's father's age. Baichung's father's age is x plus 29, right? X plus 29. X value is 17. 17 plus 29 which is equal to 9 plus 7 16, and this is 46 years. Okay, next, Baichung's grandfather's age. Baichung's grandfather's age is x plus 29 plus 26. X plus 29 plus 26, that is 17 plus 29 plus 26 which is equal to 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 7 22. Okay, 22. 2 carry, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 72 years. Whose age it is? Baichung's grandfather age. This is the right answer.